You'll never hear this from a dealership, but the truth is, some SUVs are built to last twice as long with half the repair bills. And if you pick the wrong one, you're signing yourself up for years of surprise breakdowns, sky-high insurance premiums, and overpriced warranty traps. But what if you could own an SUV that just keeps going? One that runs past 200,000, even 300,000 miles, with nothing more than oil changes, brakes, and tires. Well, after years of fixing both the winners and the disasters in the shop, I've narrowed it down. Today, we're breaking down 10 SUVs you can buy and never worry about costly repairs again. Some of these come with 10-year warranties. Others hold resale value better than luxury brands. And one of them might just be the smartest financial decision you'll ever make. Stick with me, because you're about to save thousands. 1. Acura MDX, luxury without the headaches. If you want luxury, but don't want to drain your wallet at the repair shop, the Acura MDX is the SUV for you. Built by Honda's luxury division, the MDX consistently outlasts German rivals like BMW and Mercedes without burying you in maintenance bills. Average yearly repair cost? About $590, far below the midsize luxury average. Owners routinely push these past 150,000 miles with almost no major issues in the engine, transmission, or suspension. Why? Because the MDX is built with Honda's proven simplicity and parts that are easy and cheap to replace. On top of that, you get a 4-year, 50,000-mile basic warranty and a 6-year, 70,000-mile powertrain warranty. Most people never need them. If you want premium comfort without premium problems, the MDX is a safe bet. 2. Toyota Corolla Cross, the affordable workhorse. Next up, the Toyota Corolla Cross. Don't let the low starting price fool you. This compact SUV is one of the most worry-free vehicles you can buy in 2025. Starting price around $23,000, topping out near $30,000. Annual maintenance averages just $450. That's one of the lowest in the entire SUV segment. Owners regularly pass 200,000 miles with nothing more than routine servicing. It ranks among the top for reliability in Consumer Reports and J.D. Power. Plus, Toyota's massive U.S. service network means parts are everywhere and mechanics know exactly how to fix them. For anyone who wants low costs, high mileage, and zero drama, the Corolla Cross delivers. 3. Hyundai Tucson, the warranty king. If long-term protection is at the top of your list, meet the Hyundai Tucson. Backed by an industry-leading 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, one of the best in the business. Average repair cost, just $490 a year. Newer models with hybrid or naturally aspirated engines avoid common issues like oil leaks, transmission slips, or electrical failures. J.D. Power and Consumer Reports consistently rank the Tucson near the top in dependability, and Hyundai's growing dealer network means easy, affordable access to parts and service. For anyone planning to keep their SUV long-term, the Tucson checks every single box. 4. Subaru Outback, built for real life. For drivers facing snow, long commutes, or rough roads, the Subaru Outback is a financial lifesaver. Standard all-wheel drive on every model. Annual maintenance averages $600, which is extremely competitive given its AWD system. Owners often report hitting 200,000 miles or more with minimal issues. The Outback is rugged yet efficient, and its resale value is among the best in its class. Whether you're hauling gear, commuting in the snow, or road tripping, the Outback won't punish you with surprise repair bills. 5. Toyota 4Runner, the bulletproof legend. Now, let's talk about a true legend, the Toyota 4Runner. This SUV has been proving its worth for decades, and it's still one of the most durable vehicles on the road. Starting price, around $42,000, going into the mid-$50,000 for higher trims. Average repair cost? Just $514 a year. Lifespan? Many owners report 250 to 300,000 miles with little more than routine maintenance. Its secret? A time-tested 4.0 V6 paired with a simple 5-speed automatic transmission. No fragile turbos, no over-engineered electronics, just bulletproof reliability. It even costs less to insure than most rugged SUVs, thanks to strong safety scores and low claims history. Add in its legendary resale value, and the 4Runner isn't just a vehicle, it's an investment. 6. Lexus NX. Luxury that lasts. Luxury doesn't have to mean headaches, and the Lexus NX proves it. Starting around $42,000, topping out near $55,000. Average yearly maintenance? Just $570. That's unheard of in the luxury segment. Why? Because it shares Toyota's proven hybrid systems, electronics, and drivetrains. Owners routinely drive them far past warranty limits with minimal problems, especially the hybrid versions. Plus, Lexus dealerships are known for top-notch service at fair prices. If you want premium features without the nightmare repair bills, the NX is a no-brainer. 7. Honda Pilot, the family hero. Need space for the whole family, but don't want to fund your mechanic's retirement? The Honda Pilot is your answer. Seats up to 8 passengers, costs about $542 per year in maintenance. Powered by a 3.5-liter V6 with a simple 10-speed automatic, a combo proven to last well past 200,000 miles. Honda's massive service network keeps repairs affordable, and extended warranties cost less than similar plans from Ford or GM. For a family SUV that won't let you down, the Pilot is hard to beat. 8. Mazda CX-5, luxury without the price tag. If you want a luxury feel without the luxury bill, the Mazda CX-5 is one of the best-kept secrets, starting at $29,000, topping out near $40,000. Annual maintenance? Just $500. Engines. Mazda's proven Skyactiv 2.5L engines, built for durability and efficiency. Owners regularly cross 200,000 miles with few issues, and it consistently scores high in reliability studies. With its stylish design and long-term dependability, the CX-5 is a smart choice for anyone who wants value and looks. 9. Lexus GX, rugged luxury that lasts. Most luxury SUVs crumble when you push them off-road. Not the Lexus GX, built on Toyota's Land Cruiser platform. Powered by a 3.4L twin-turbo V6 with full-time 4-wheel drive. Average yearly repair cost? Just $770, which is stunning for a luxury SUV this capable. Many GX owners report over 250,000 miles with minimal repairs. Parts are easy to find since it shares components with other Toyota platforms. For drivers who want rugged capability, luxury comfort, and bulletproof reliability, the GX is the ultimate combo. 10. Honda CR-V, the smartest choice of all. Finally, the Honda CR-V. If you're looking for the single most reliable, cost-effective SUV in America, this is it. Starting around $31,000, fully loaded hybrids just under $42K. Average repair cost? Only $410 a year, the lowest in its class. Owners regularly hit 200,000 plus miles with basic maintenance. Its naturally aspirated engines, smooth CVT, and Honda's proven hybrid systems keep things simple, durable, and efficient. Add in top resale value and one of the largest service networks in the country, and the CR-V is hands down one of the smartest SUV buys you can make. Bonus tips. Now, before you rush out to buy one of these SUVs, there are a few hidden ownership traps you need to know about. Extended warranties. Dealers often mark them up 100% or more. Always check the actual provider and buy directly if you can. Insurance costs. Premiums are tied to repair complexity, not just safety. A safer car isn't always cheaper to insure. CVT transmissions. Great for fuel economy, but some brands, like Nissan, have major long-term issues. Stick to traditional automatics or Toyota's hybrid eCVT. Hybrid repairs. Batteries last a long time, but inverters and cooling systems fail more often. Keep those systems maintained. Depreciation. EVs and luxury hybrids can lose 35 to 50% of their value in just 2 years. Be careful if you plan to resell. So, there you have it. 10 SUVs you can buy today and drive for the next decade without worrying about crippling repair bills. From the bulletproof Toyota 4Runner to the family-friendly Honda Pilot, each one is engineered to go the distance without draining your wallet. If this helped you, do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe for more insider car breakdowns, and share this video with someone who's car shopping right now. Because the best way to drive stress-free is to drive informed.